So this is the fourth part of Falling All Over Fall.
Yeah, it's the one. Yeah. Got me tied down on the way to the beach. 4 bad chicks in the middle of the street. Oh, right up in the yard.
So I'm just letting you know what I did at this table. I didn't do anything but put my pumpkin here and put a good smelling candle there, and all the rest of this you have seen in previous videos. I didn't change out my elephants to the squirrels because I just didn't. So yeah. So this is how my entry table look for the fall. And that light is on the floor just to light the candle. And I light it to give y'all a preview of how it looks. So yes guys, I know you're interested in where I got these pretty pumpkins from, and if you've been following me for a while, you know they came from QVC. These pumpkins do double duty, so the lids do come off of these pumpkins. You could put them in a microwave, you could put a cold beverage in there, whatever you would like, except for that pumpkin that you see there, and that pumpkin came from the Dollar Tree. Okay, we have panned down to the bottom of this thing, and these are just my dessert bowls, and they stay on this bar cart all year round, and also that drink dispenser do too. So that thing came from Macy's. If you was interested in the little dessert trays, they came from Pier 1 if I'm not mistaken. Okay, yes, I just wanted to show you this beautiful bar cart. You know I got this thing from Johnson Maine. I let you guys see when I put it together. If you're interested in that, I will put a cart up there, the iCart up there, so you can see me put that together. And I also could show you another iCart of me opening my presents, my drink dispenser. It came for my birthday like a year or two ago. So if you're interested in that, check out the iCarts that's going to be at the top of this video. And I will see you guys on the next one. Be blessed. Enjoy the bar cart, you guys.